Ben, Lily, dinner is almost ready. Go wash your hands, please.
Coming, Mom. I'll be super fast. Ben, you forgot to dry your hands again. Mom always says to dry them. It's fine, Lily. I'm in a hurry. I just want to eat.
Ben, I hope you know wet hands near switches or plugs. You know the rule, no wet hands near switches or plugs.
Yeah, I know, Mom. Dry hands, don't touch electric things. I'm not a baby. Ben, your hands are dripping water all over the floor. You're gonna slip. Relax, Lily. I'm careful. See, I'm walking perfectly fine.
Ben, please go back and dry your hands with a towel. I'm serious.
But Mom, the food smells so good. I'll dry them after I eat. Mom, Ben is being stubborn again.
Ben, I'm not asking again. Dry your hands or no dessert tonight.
Ugh, fine. I'll dry them, but I'm just gonna flick the switch first. The light is too dim in here. Ben, don't! Your hands are still wet. It's just one little switch. What could happen? Ah! My hand! It hurts so much!
Ben! What happened? Oh no, are you okay?
He touched the light switch with wet hands, Mom. I told him not to.
Oh my goodness, Ben. Your hand is red and shaking. Let me see it. Can you move your fingers?
Ow, ow, ow. It stings so bad.
I told you 100 times water and electricity are a dangerous mix. Seriously hurt.
I know, Mom. I just didn't think it would happen to me.
How does it feel now?
A little better, but I feel really silly.
Silly is better than hurt. Do you understand why I make such a big deal about this?
Yes, Mom, because water makes electricity travel through your body, and that's why we always dry our hands and wear slippers on wet floors.
Exactly. You two are the most important things in my life. I don't ever want to see you get hurt like that again.
I promise, Mom. From now on, I'll always dry my hands before I touch anything electric. And I'll remind him every single time.
Good. Now let's eat dinner. And Ben?
Thanks, Mom. And I'm sorry, Lily, for not listening to you either. It's okay, Ben. That's what sisters are for, to keep you safe.
Even when you're being a goofball.